on the chair. I'll raise it up. They did something with it, so that's why it doesn't really move. But it used to always move. It just doesn't work anymore. Okay, we're gonna just check your eyes. Alright, your eyes don't look as good as I thought they would. What do you mean? You see, you're a child yet. Oh no, that's a different person. Sorry, I got you mixed up. Okay, your name is Stephanie, right? Stephanie, what's last name? Sanchez? Sanchez, you sure? I don't see Sanchez. Okay, fine, my last name. I'm just gonna make a random last name up. Cause it's like a Mexican household. I'll just do Garcia, cause Garcia is one of like the most famous ones. Garcia. Ah, yeah, there it is. Selena. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay. You see, your eyes are very, very good. I'm super duper proud of you for keeping your eyes very good. I'll just put you out here. You're done. Okay. Tyler Sanchez. I mean, oh my gosh, you made me get in my head. Tyler Garcia. Okay. Hi. So go right there. Okay. Take off your glasses, by the way. You're just gonna give them to me. We know that they will be yours. I'm just modeling these, and this I like to keep it in a drawer. First, I will give you a very, very silly one. And I'll put it in here because I realized that you didn't get one. And usually, did you come to here? No, my mom just picked them up. That's why I didn't give you a case. I'm sorry. Yeah, you're fine. Yeah. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Your eyes are very, very nice. You can't really see though. You're kind of like blind, but you're not like blind at the same time. So that is that. I don't know how to explain this, kid, but I don't know. You just kind of have to like supervise. I don't know how to say this. You need glasses. I know that for sure. So I'll just pack everything that you need. I'll give you these orange ones because they match your outfit, and some eye drops just in case if that all stops working. Anyways, you're good to go. And get your sister. Oh, I forgot your glasses. I forgot to put them on you because apparently you're just a little kid and you can't see without them. You can go now. No fair. Why'd they give you that? Because I actually have glasses and they didn't give me any. Okay. Next up, Heaven Garcia. These are some white-ass names. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Come on, let's go. I'm here. I don't think that's me. That's not my name. You just walked in here, honey, and you look just like the rest of your siblings. You're in the exact space. I just forgot that it's a robot, but you guys just go right there. Okay. Let's just take that off your head. Okay. Your eyes seem pretty good, but you say that you can't see. Yeah, that's true. Okay, I need you to... If you can't see it, go right there and cover one of your eyes, and I need you to read all of this. This first one. A, B, C, G, 3, close, but no. It's not numbers, it's letters. Oh, I'm sorry. N or W. Okay. P and D. Okay, yeah, you're officially like about to be blind. So I, in fact, actually no. Like pretend that he does have one. I'm so sorry, Tyler, but everyone else needs one. Pretend that he already got his. Anyways. Okay. So since you are practically blind, which glasses do you want? I want the pink ones. Okay. I don't like them. I think they look great on you. Are you lying? Yes. Which color should I get? It's perfect with whatever you got. Let's just put that in there. And here you go, and wear that. Bye, have a nice day. Tell your mom about this printer paper. Maybe later though, but yeah, just go. I got it. That's not fair. Thank you so much. No problem. Warning, all customers, this is coming from all the radios. Attention customers, it's about to get real rainy. And the storm is about to come. Pretend that it's like still like, it's like really, really cloudy. I hate having days like this. Give me that. Oh my gosh, I can't even. Just give me that. I'll put that in there. And you're not even supposed to be bringing this out. Who wants to grab the bag? Because I have to carry all of y'all. Me, Mom. Okay. Well, we have a storm to try not to get in. We got to go. No! Why? Why right now when there's something like a huge storm about to happen and we need to get home? It's raining right now, but we gotta get home right now because the store's about to close and they just said it on the speakers. It's about to rain. Now come on. No! Not until I get glasses. You don't need glasses. But I want them. I could buy you some later that are not prescription. Later. No, right now. Come on. No. You know what? I'm just gonna grab you. No. No. She abuses me at home. No, I do not. Guys, she's lying because she won't get what she wants. Is that so? Oh, really? I mean. No, come on. The part I've been waiting for. I don't know how to turn off that light. Oh, never mind, I do. That one. That one. I don't know how to turn off that light. Oh, that was a light? I did not know that. Like the power kind of thing that goes down. Oh my jeez. It's okay. They can restore it. No, Mommy, this is scary. No, it's okay, hot sweetie. We're just gonna go home. And so like, it's like the bodyguards kind of. They won't open. No matter how much times we press the button. We're stuck in here. Ah! Ah! There's a storm coming too. It's a very, very huge tornado. Oh my gosh. Did you just say tornado? Yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh. gosh, it's okay, you guys. I kind of want the baby, y'all. It's not weird to want to have a baby. Y'all saw that, right? I got kicked out. But we'll continue the roleplay. I know that we will. I just got kicked out. So I don't know what I did wrong. I think that's because I was just trying to grab the baby. I don't think it saved that last part, but we're just gonna pretend that we did not do anything. Open it, close. Okay. Where did they go? Where did they go? I don't even think that they didn't come yet. You're joking. Whatever, I guess. We'll pretend that everything is fine. I'm just gonna like put everything what I did put in this bag in the bag. So just give me one little teensy little sec. I did not mean it. Yeah, but pretend that she already paid. Put that in there. And I'll just get that little thing. Done. Oh, someone pink. I forgot. Go, robot. Tyler holding it. Okay, you guys. We'll continue the roleplay right now.